Welcome to AJ Parts, your trusted partner in laptop parts and accessories for over 15 years. From screens, adapters, keyboards to top lids, hinges, and more, we specialize in providing high-quality laptop parts to meet all your repair needs. As the UK's leading seller, we're proud of our countless positive reviews and happy customers. Our commitment to excellence doesn't stop there. Post-Brexit, we've expanded with a dedicated European warehouse, eliminating border hassles for our EU customers. But our journey doesn't end in Europe. AJ Parts is now reaching new horizons with warehouses in Asia and North America. Whether you're in Canada, China, or beyond, we're bringing our expertise closer to you. Maximize your business potential with our comprehensive sourcing services. From Asia's manufacturing hubs to Europe and the UK, we bridge the gap seamlessly. Whether it's gym equipment or specialized components, we ensure quality and efficiency every step of the way. Let AJ Parts be your trusted partner for sourcing solutions.